Using HTTPS in your campaigns. The online world is moving to HTTPS protocol, so is Zeropark. But why is it important and what does it have to do with your campaigns? And here are your answers. So what's happening? HTTPS is becoming a standard. Previously, it only had been used to protect sensitive data, but the definition of sensitive data was up to the web service owner. Using it for payment or registration forms is a must, but it's not for the service owner to decide what is sensitive to the end user. That's why browser providers require websites to use HTTPS by default to protect all data with encrypted data transfer. Therefore, websites using HTTP are marked as not secure by default. So following Google and Apple, Zeropark adjusts its policy regarding the redirect links. So on which browsers is this already on? You can already see it on Google Chrome and Safari versions. And it's likely that just because it's on two browsers that this isn't any big deal. But Mozilla and the other browsers will probably follow suit very soon. So how does it affect your campaigns? If you don't take the time to use HTTPS in your campaigns, you may not be aware of the fact that you're limiting your performance on two major web browsers. The not secure notifications prevent visitors to complete the action you would like for them to take, especially on mobile where the message is more visible. And on the other side, there are gains that you can get while using SSL. There's even a case study that talks about how a fellow Volume team member improved performance by at least 400%. So what action should you take? Honestly and simply just use the SSL if you already do that, or plan to. Just make sure your entire redirect path is encrypted with SSL. Otherwise, the users will be displayed leaving safe connection, and that message will risk them leaving your funnel. So make sure you're prepared for change at all times, and if you're using a tracker with Volume, you can buy the SSL certificate, or it should already be included in your plan if you have the right plan.